So we start out today's video with this upcycling DIY. Now, I am not quite sure what this is here that she is using for this upcycle, but I love the fact that this DIY is gold and black. Oh, that is so cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this next one, oh wow, they made like a floral centerpiece. That's pretty cool. And they're doing a different variation here with gold. Oh. Okay, so for those of you who are new, I have an obsession with gold and with black. I love black and gold decor. Like, that is just my thing. That's my aesthetic. That's my vibe. Which is why I am digging all the clips so far in today's video, because a lot of them are involving black and gold. So here we have a matte black DIY. We just saw the finished product there with the canvas. Now this is a pretty cool idea. I like this decor piece. Ooh, more black and gold. So we have a vase design for this one. This is like an easy beginner friendly project too. So they basically took a cylinder, spray painted it black, and then added these gold disco stickers. That is so cool. And it looks really high end too. And then we move on to something that isn't black and gold. We have some little wooden pieces here. It looks like they might be making like the chain decor piece. Oh, they're making a chained vase. Oh. This is a huge trend right now, by the way, if you didn't already know. The chained vases are very in. Wow, that was a beautiful upgrade. Oh, I love this. Very cool. Beautiful neutral color. And then here we have some type of sponge balls. Looks like they might be making a vase here. Oh, they made a lamp. Oh, wow. Okay, that was really cool. And then here we have this black canvas artwork piece. So if you guys are loving these DIY project ideas and my reactions, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will stay up to date on all the latest design trends. So they are making their own artwork here. So after doing this really cool design, which pretty much added some texture to the canvas, they go in and add the black paint. Beautiful. Oh, that was so pretty. And then here we go again with some more sponge spears. Not sponge spears. What am I talking about? Well, styrofoam. Styrofoam, that's what I'm thinking. Styrofoam spears. Okay. Can't talk today. So this looks like they might be making a table here. Wow. Oh, are they painting it black? Every time I see this table, it's always done in ivory. Wow, I love this in black. Beautiful, stunning table. Another do-it-yourself lamp design. So they're doing like paper mache technique for this. Oh, that is so smooth. Cute. I can't believe how smooth they got that piece to be. Usually when I see like the paper mache, like there's a lot of texture to it. It's nice seeing it as smooth as they did it. So we have some more of those disco gold stickers here. Oh, looks like they're doing a chain design. And they're using the gold stickers. Wow. You know what? I really like this idea because it gives it a nice textured effect. This is brilliant. And then, of course, they used pool noodles. What a creative idea. Wow. Oh, that looks beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, I am obsessed with this one. So pretty, and it creates a nice little glare to it with a disco effect. Oh, this is so cool. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.